Okay, today we are working on a Samsung dryer. Needed a new belt. It also needed to be vacuumed out. Pretty dirty. Okay, we're putting the belt on. Vacuuming off the drum felt. Next, we're cleaning out the lint filter area. Pretty clogged up there. Yeah, again, very dirty. Definitely recommend keeping these cleaned out. Otherwise, yeah, pretty much filled up the vacuum, so I had to like push the dirt around. Kind of crazy. Finishing the touches up on vacuuming there. Vacuuming the front of the dryer, the door assembly. Putting that on there, getting the screws up top in there. Do a little more vacuuming. Plug it in. And put the old belt away.